Hello, and welcome to the introduction for the AT-VKP-8E, the Velocity 8-button keypad controller and Atlona Cloud configuration. The Atlona AT-VKP-8E is a simple yet powerful 8-button IP-based control system for one room of up to 10 devices. The 2.7-inch e-paper display for the VKP-8E allows for custom icons and text to be associated with each button. In addition to Ethernet control, the VKP-8E also features RS-232 for legacy devices. The keypad is available in two wallplate form factors. AT-VKP-8E is for 1 gang US installations. AT-VKP-8E EU is for 1 gang EU UK installations. Lower complexity applications that have a few inputs and a single display can benefit from a simple, straightforward button panel control system. However, the AT-VKP-8E addresses shortcomings found in previous solutions, including an e-paper display for customizing button text and icons that can dynamically change with page flips. A new configuration tool, Atlona Cloud, that will be familiar to Velocity users and intuitive for those that are new to Atlona Control. Available in US and EU UK form factors, black and white faceplates are included. The VKP-8E is a cost-effective control system for classrooms and meeting spaces that need a simple user interface. Key features for the VKP-8E keypad are: it is a simple yet powerful keypad control system for one room up to 10 devices. It has 8 buttons for controlling display power, switching, audio levels, and more. RGB LED indicators for each button and a multi-step LED level indicator provide user feedback. A 2.7 e-paper display allows custom icons and text to be associated with each button and dynamically change with page flips. It is IP-based for controlling system devices over the network. It also has bidirectional RS-232 port for controlling legacy devices. You can configure with Atlona Cloud for standalone systems or use as a keypad interface in Velocity systems. It has pre-configured control files available for our most popular switchers. It uses Power over Ethernet, PoE, for remote power and network connection with a single cable. The black and white faceplates are included. The VKP-8E is designed to mount in a 1-gang North American junction boxes, and the VKP-8E EU is intended for 1-gang EU and UK junction boxes. The VKP-8E is a complete AV control solution for lower complexity classrooms and meeting spaces that only have a few source selections and a single display. It can also be added to a larger Velocity system in applications where the simplicity of a button panel is preferred over touch panels. The Atlona AT-VKP-8E is a simple yet powerful 8-button IP-based control system in a wallplate form factor. The buttons and e-paper display are fully customizable for controls such as display power, input switching, audio levels, and any other functions supported by system devices. Atlona Cloud is an online configuration and management platform for the AT-VKP-8E Velocity 8-button keypad controller. It also includes an embedded configuration management system for organizing projects and sharing them with collaborators as needed. Atlona Cloud is our next step in configuration and management tools, providing the following benefits. Moves some of the control system overhead, such as drivers, to the cloud. Transfers a lighter configuration file to the keypad. It contains only what is needed for a specific device or application. Atlona Cloud is used as a centralized resource for setup, configuration, and management of VKP-8E keypad controllers. It is a cloud-based application accessible from a web browser with access to the internet. Users can access their account via single sign-on SSO using Google or Microsoft credentials, or they can create a custom email profile. Configure button attributes and actions including label, LED color, e-paper display icons, and macros. Select room devices that the keypad will control from the hundreds of available Atlona and third-party drivers. Define macros for button pushes and variables for conditional actions. Manage firmware updates. Utilize pre-configured control files available for our most popular switchers instead of starting from scratch. Atlona Cloud includes an embedded file management system. Organize keypad projects by room, building, location, customer, and any other classification needed. Invite collaborators to work on your projects. To find out more about the AT-VKP-8E keypad and the Atlona Cloud, go to www.atlona.com.